My active addiction was 23 years of using drugs and alcohol. And, you know, for me, there was nothing like losing a job or, you know, losing direction in terms of career. All of that stayed completely on track. You know, most of the time, if any of you listened to me on radio, I was battling addiction through the majority of my career. But what was being damaged, what I was losing, was connection to my family, and ultimately connection to reality as well. Until, you know, making a decision 8 years ago to go away to rehab in South Africa in 2018, March 1st, 2018.
I lost my businesses some years back. It was when I finished campus, started working in 2011, 2012. I was able to accumulate quite some good wealth, but in the process, I lost everything. I lost my businesses. I lost millions of money, and I had some debts with the bank. And all of a sudden, they called me, and they actually actioned me. They took 2 of my vehicles, and I usually say I was now broke until broke people are encouraged when they saw me. And I went home, and I took my laptop and I typed how to die. How to die without also feeling a lot of pain. I don't like pain.
When we live here, we will all know that one certain thing in life is that you will lose stuff. And when you do, grieving is okay. And you need to make time to grieve. And the purpose of this grieving, or the goal of it at the end of the day, is to be able to safely remember the loss without experiencing the emotional turmoil that comes with it.